birthday, Queen. Happy regality, wow. Regality na tayo. So first of all, I would like to give you a happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship and the memories that we made. And I hope hindi ka magbago and I hope friends na gihapon sa and good luck sa atong college. Unta, successful ka ka na. And happy birthday and once again, happy birthday.
Uy, good friend. Oh, sabi mo sa lugar. Sabi mo, ako matapos. Oh, diba? Hindi andaman talaga sila mga sweet burgers in that. Kaya what? Na-birthday ang ilahan. Sa naman, ang ilang best friend na si Chubia. Okay, mensahe. Di basta-basta ko po.
So, happy birthday, the stunning Judita. Today, we celebrate not just the beautiful person you are, but all the incredible moments that await you in this exciting new chapter of life. May your day be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories with family and friends. Embrace every moment and shine brightly as you step into your future. Here's to you and all the adventures. Enjoy your special day. Once again, happy birthday.
Wow! Grabe ang English! I don't know eh! Hindi ko namin eh! Okay, Carlos! Thank you so much for running sa iyang workout out bukas ko sa Coordination Shopee. At pinagay ang abot ko sa hapon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have...
Hello, Mia. Happy 18th birthday. Welcome to the Garden. So, ako naman sa enjoy the college life. So, normal na sila. Mura to, nag-going na sila sa college day. Happy birthday po na ako.
Tapos uy, ang sabagay na lang. Diba? Di ba pa sa mga next you have Joshua Mendez. Nasi Joshua Mendez? Na? Hindi na lagi na ron.
Hi, Bia. Hi, Bia. Kita siguro. So, happy 18th birthday, Bia. Welcome to Legality. Ako lang memories. Joke lang. I wish you all the best and good luck sa college life. Pagkataon na nabago sa pagsundo.
Tapos na yun, gusto ba? Okay, sila ko rin ako sa hanggang sa hanggang. Tapos na siya Kimbo. Okay, baka pa rin ito. Tingnan, message. Message mo message. I-chat na lang kami. I-chat na lang na message mo. Kung gano'n naman. Ha? Oh, sige, okay na. They have forces siyang parcel na kabila. Kaya okay na siya kaya naman at feeling na hey! So, guwapa rin siya sa main. So, wala yung person na naman ikaw sa sumahan. Mag-serve sa sumahan. Nasa siya sa main na nung dunia. Okay, message.
Happy birthday, Dad. Wish you a day with love, pleasure, and the days that make you happy. You've been just an amazing friend. And I'm so lucky to have you in my life. More blessings from Father Lord. And in many years to come, I love you, my friend. Happy birthday again.
Okay, thank you so much, Jocelyn. Next, we have Leah Mockmore. So, who's Leah Mockmore from Miss Arts English as 2018? Kitaghan niya from Miss Universe. So, once again, after our program, si Leah Mockmore.
Hi guys, happy birthday. I just want to say, stay humble and pretty, and of course, be thankful sa atong new journey karon. That's all, happy birthday. Thank you.
Wow, thank you sa iyong outfit na color white.
Hi, Lilia. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you life full of love, smile, and many good things as you become an adult. I hope this new chapter brings you closer to your dreams and helps you become the person you want to be. Always be kind, strong, and be true to yourself. Enjoy your life. Enjoy this thing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. And gradual messages. Next, we have Kristen.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Love ako tayo. This is the start of the new chapter of adulthood. Sounds exactly but also good luck. Life will get more real, more confusing, but also more beautiful. Just remember, not everything needs to be figured out right away. Take your time, trust the process, and laugh out loud. Ayaw kalimot na di ka ng problema masugod sa building. Pero nakatapos magyakol. You're strong, smart, and ready for the world. Even if it doesn't always like it, keep growing, keep glowing, and always be encouraging for you.
Wow, keep growing and keep shining. Thank you so much, Claire. So, mensahe ako. Okay. Next, I'd like to say thank you for joining me this for the wonderful day, for blessing us with such a beautiful gift to the community. I pray to God that you want to be strong in access to our trials and failures, because that's the verse in the Bible said in the book of Romans chapter 8,